Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing core information, script, cue list, and blocking, then create a master prompt book so nothing is guesswork. Once done, set up your communication plan, who wears headsets, call signs, and a clear backup system because clarity prevents chaos. Next, prioritize rehearsal objectives, safety checks, timing runs, and prop/set transitions. This ensures you address the highest risks first. Make sure to document decisions as they happen, so you reduce confusion and accelerate future. You now move into detailed execution by running act-by-act rehearsals, then full runs with lighting, sound, and crew present. This builds muscle memory. While running, track every cue live, lights, sound, set shifts, and actor entrances, and log any deviations so you can correct patterns. Once done, meet departments to resolve overlaps and refine timings. Shared adjustments keep the show cohesive. Make sure to rehearse complex transitions slowly, then speed up, because accuracy at pace is your goal. You finish by preparing your show calling script with numbered cues, concise notes, and contingency cues for likely failures. This is your performance blueprint. Once ready, run dress rehearsals exactly as the show will run, confirm every crew member's readiness, and pre-call performers so timing is consistent. During performances, maintain calm, prioritize safety, and implement your fallback cues if something fails. If trouble arises, use your on-the-fly protocol. Take a quick decision, communicate one clear instruction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.